conhecer o Roosevelt. E aí, Roosevelt, tudo bem?
Beleza, joia.
Joia.
Town on a boat from the southern islands, sailing to reach before a following sea. She was making for the trades on the outside and the downhill run to Papa Ede. Off the wind on this heading line, the Marquesas. Got 80 feet of a water line, nicely making way in a noisy bar in Avalon. I tried to call you, but on the midnight watch I realized why twice you ran away. Think about how many times I had fallen. Spirits are using me. Lord, your voice is calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl who knows love can endure, and you know it will. When you see the Southern Cross for the first time, you understand now why you came this way. 'Cause the truth you might be running from is so small, but it's as big as the promise of a coming day. So I'm sailing for tomorrow, my dreams are dying, and my love is an anchor tied to you, tied with a silver chain. I have my ship and all her flags are a-flying. She is all that I have left, and music is her name. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me. Lord, your voice is calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl who knows love can endure, and you know it will, and you know it will. Tested, and we never failed to fail. It was the easiest thing to do. You will survive the invested. Somebody fine will come along, make me forget about loving you in the Southern Cross. I'd be spinning my wheels going nowhere fast, pocket full of sorries and an empty glass. All hat and no cattle and some tumbleweed boots. I'd be blowing in the wind if I didn't have you. I'd be a drunk without a drink, guitar with a broken string. Without you I'd be a falling star without a midnight sky, a cowboy with no horse to ride. I'd be driving in the dark, no headlights on a one-way highway that didn't go home. I'd have to borrow from the devil just to pay my dues. I'd have nothing worth having if I didn't have you. Be a drunk without a drink to drink, a guitar with a broken string. Without you I'd be a falling star without a midnight sky. Be a train running out of tracks, missing pages in a paperback. Without you I'd be the kind of lost it's hard to find, walking through this world of life, a cowboy with no horse to ride.
It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant condos. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this Tyrone with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade tree. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me, but they wanna hear me sing my songs under lights. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this Tyrone with my damn high hopes. The country boys don't die alone. Every day's so fleeting, and I have been trying to save it while I can. Look on her face, all these hot, humid days, and the boys in my damn band. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking such a tightrope with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me. They wanna hear me sing my songs under light.